Do you like cooking? Garlic and onions are essential in a kitchen, don't you agree? If you are like me and make a point of using garlic and onion in everything you cook, you will love this garlic onion jam. And you'll love it even more after learning that homemade jams can prolong the shelf life of foods. This homemade jam will bring lots of flavor and convenience to your days, much more than the industrialized products full of sodium and preservatives. Not to mention that this recipe has some fantastic benefits, such as increasing longevity, fighting bacterial, fungal, and viral infections, lowering the risk of heart attacks, strengthening the immune system, improving quality of life, preventing atherosclerosis, and reducing blood sugar, bad cholesterol, LDL, and blood pressure. How incredible is that? Write down the ingredients. 4.5 pounds of red onions, 4 heads of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of salt, white vinegar, bay leaves, seasoning to taste, dried herbs, black pepper, chimichurri. Optional. Pour some water into a big pot and take it to a boil. Meanwhile, peel the onions and cut them in half. Then slice. The slices don't need to be thin, but not too thick either. Then peel the garlic cloves. You don't need to slice them. Add the sliced onion, garlic, salt, sugar, bay leaves, and seasonings to the water and let everything boil for 5 minutes. Strain the garlic, onion, and seasonings, but don't throw the liquid away. Set it aside. Put the onion, garlic, and bay leaves in preserve jars, which should be clean and sterilized, but don't fill the jars completely. Add the white vinegar until half of the jar is full. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, then fill the rest with the cooking liquid you set aside before. Close the jars and leave them in the fridge for 5 days. After 5 days, your garlic onion jam is ready for use. Keep it closed in the fridge for up to 3 months. Try it and share your experience with us.